Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Apple Notes app not syncing across devices. So if this is happening to you, you're basically trying to sync your notes from, for example, OneNote to basically your other device, and you want to just see that exact same note through the Apple Notes app, then here's how you can do that. So if this is not working basically, then there's just one really good reason for that. So head over into settings like this, scroll up to search, and then type in notes just like this. Once you've done that, click on the first one. So don't click on the Notes app, just click on Notes right here. And it will basically bring you to this page. And what you simply need to make sure to do is that Sync This iPhone is enabled. That's really, really important. If this is disabled, simply enable it. And basically, once you've done that, all your notes will basically be synced through the same iCloud. So if you have a MacBook with the same iCloud, you will basically just have the same notes over your MacBook. So it's really important that this is enabled. What you can also do is head over into the Notes app just like this, and basically click on accounts and make sure that the same iCloud is set right here as well. And basically once you've done that, you're just good to go and it should work. So I would recommend trying those two things to see if it's working, and if it did, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.